Is your microphone not working on Zoom? Yeah, you're talking, but nobody hears you, or Zoom says your mic isn't detected. Don't worry. In this guide, I'll show you step by step how to fix Zoom microphone issues fast. First, open Zoom and click the arrow next to the microphone icon. Make sure the correct microphone is selected. If you have a headset, webcam, or USB mic, Zoom might be using the wrong one by default. Next, open Audio Settings and click Test Microphone. Speak normally and check if the input bar moves. If there's no movement, switch to another mic option and test again. If Zoom still can't hear you, your system may be blocking access. On Windows, open Privacy Settings and make sure microphone access is enabled for apps. On macOS, go to Privacy and Security, then Microphone, and make sure Zoom is allowed. Sometimes another app is already using your microphone, like a browser, recording software, or another meeting app. Close anything that might be using the mic, then restart Zoom and test again. Yeah, this sounds obvious, Mike, but it fixes a lot of cases. Make sure your headset isn't muted on its cable switch. Your laptop doesn't have a keyboard. Mute key turned on and your mic is plugged in securely. If nothing works yet, check for updates inside Zoom. An outdated version can cause microphone bugs. If the problem continues, uninstall Zoom and install the latest version fresh. This often resets audio detection issues. And that's it. One of these steps almost always fixes Zoom microphone problems. Go through them in order, and you should be heard loud and clear in your next meeting.